I did it, guys. I did the damage. Unbox my Dyson airwrap, complete along with me. I bought it from Mecca after contemplating for months and months and months. It is a big ticket purchase. It's an $800 item. I've already taken all the packaging out because, yeah, I don't want to struggle on camera. So this is how it looks. This is the foam padding on top, and these are the attachments. So a big wide brush, a finer one, a smaller barrel, a wider barrel, flyaway and hair dryer attachment, a brush. This is the filter cleaner, and this is the star of the show itself. Looks really beautiful, easy to use. This is how it looks, so funky, colorful. Thanks Mecca for stocking this color. I actually quite like it. And it also comes with this partition, and this is how the box looks like to organize your accessories. So yeah, pretty happy with the purchase.